Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 9th, 2021. Take a look at my chart. We are going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Alibaba. You guys can tell, man, it's been a very long time since you did your last price prediction. It's actually on our first channel, HueFin News. You guys can check it out. It is in our Alibaba playlist on our other channel, which we do usually did cryptocurrencies on that one. So we transitioned to create another channel to do stocks, but you guys can see we already did a price prediction. So if you want to see what we talked about on that particular time frame in August, go back and listen. It's there. We told you all to play the strength into the market in Alibaba at that particular moment. But now, man, take a look at what time does. What occurs within a year. We're almost at a year point in the market in Alibaba. Play the strength in 2020, and now the market completely collapsed below what we expected back at that time. This is one reason why you really need to be involved in your own portfolio or strategies, because the market is not stagnated. It doesn't always go up. It also goes down. And if you guys want to join us, we're here because we play both sides of the market. We're not going to be biased. We're not just going to tell you everything's going to explode and shoot to the moon and 10x your money, because that is not the case. Take a look at this one. Take a look at Alibaba. You guys can tell that this market is not shooting higher and higher in price. Actually, we're in a downtrend. Okay, so join us. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Only if you're real. If you are too emotional when someone comes out and they're playing the weakness, we're not that channel for you. You need to go on to another channel that's going to hype you up, that's going to pump you up, and that's going to give you a lot of FOMO, right? If you want to be entertained, you need to go there, because we're not here for that entertainment. We're here to be in position, give you all the news according to the charts, so that we can dominate and eat in this space. All right. So again, you guys can tell, play the strength into the market in Alibaba, 5.25%. Didn't take long. We actually climaxed all the way up there towards 320 in October 2020, 19.82% at the high. Either way, we got it right. All right, so let's take that away, because I really wanted to do the video in Alibaba to show you what happened. Something that we need to pay attention to, because we've been in a very sustained upward trend in the market in Alibaba. So what would you do if someone told you that we're about to break that trend? Would you be emotional? Would you be upset because you're a long-term holder in the market in Alibaba? Or would you get in position and try to win? Let's see. One thing I wanted to do first is I'm going to extend our trend. This is the long-term trend into the market in Alibaba. Take a look at what just happened. Like, I want everyone to understand that we all see the same type of information. The only thing is how you interpret it and what you try to spin out the market, right? One thing for us, we're real. If we see something happening to the market, you need to take it as Bible. You need to take it as the gospel, because it wouldn't have done it if the market didn't want to do it, right? So all of these times, take a look. March 24, 2020, the market in Alibaba bounced off the trend. You can visually tell that the market has been obeying that ascending line all the way since 2016. Like, this is a monumental trend. And whenever the market is to break that, you need to question that. What happened? The trend has changed, right? And we just did that yesterday. So this trend started 5 years ago. 5 years. This market went from $60 all the way up there and climax at 320. Today, or yesterday, we broke the trend. So automatically we need to think, okay, the market is not that strong. To see the market break the trend, and we broke it on a gap. All right, you guys can see we broke it on a gap. So that means that the restriction area is going to be around 210. Big areas around 220. We're in a sustained downtrend as well in the market in Alibaba. Pretty big downtrend too. So until this price breaks outside of this downtrend line, there's no bullishness needs to be talked about. This market is weak. It is what it is. So let's take a look at the different time frames in the market in Alibaba to see how low the market is going to go, or even if we're still weak. Okay, so this is the 3-day time frame, and we need to see how weak the market in Alibaba really is. Yeah, we still got weakness in this space. 190, maybe even all the way down to 170. I can see this market trying to come in and grab support. So I see 3 areas. I see 190, I see 180, and I see 170 as areas of support. This is the 5-day time frame. Again, this market is giving us a lot of weakness here. Yeah, I'm looking around 190 first for that area of support in Alibaba. This is a weekly time frame, and again, we're seeing a lot of weakness involved in this space. Let's look at this on the 5-day. Yeah, we still got some weakness to go through. 2-week time frame. A lot of weakness here. So my first area to eye for support is around 190 though. This is the 3-week time frame, and this is massively weak. Okay, so we're still seeing this space weak in Alibaba. Now from a 3-week perspective, okay, 180 is on the table to see the market in Alibaba come to 180. So I don't know what to tell you. Like when you see this break is alongside a major trend like this, and we're closing below it right now, it's time for you to think or find another market to win if you're looking for price to go higher, because Alibaba is not it. Been very positive though to see the market sustain price above 220, but we're not even seeing that neither. Okay, so let's do it. We're going to play the weakness into the market in Alibaba. We said that 220 will be our restriction area, or that simply means we need to come through and pay attention to the market price in Alibaba. I can see 210 as restriction as well too. Now I told you our first area TP would be around $190. That's about 4.63%, and as well bring it all the way back down to 180 based off the 3 weeks time frame. Okay, so that's about 10% market movement from where the market closed in Alibaba. Okay, let me zoom in and try to get this right. Okay, right there. So this is what we're looking for. This is what we're expecting the market price in Alibaba to do. So at least in the next 3 weeks, we can see the market price try to touch that $180 price level in at least the next 3 weeks. All right, so now it's your turn. Welcome, you're on our team. And in order to be on our team, you got to pull in the work. So now's your turn. Call the markets with us. Tell us whether y'all expect the price in Alibaba to go over the next 3 weeks. This is our expectations. This is what we're predicting. Now is your turn. Let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different. Peace.